Hey guys, today we have Boxycharm Premium. I haven't got my base box yet, so we will be doing the premium. Okay, so this is my first premium box. I'm super excited. I've been on the wait list since December, and I heard, within the last month that Joe was going to try to get everybody off the wait list. And so I got my premium, and I got an email like within seconds that I was off the wait list for Luxe. So I'm waiting for that box because Luxe, if you're not aware, is every season. So there was one in December, then March, and probably July, and so on. So it's every 3 months for $49.99. And you skip the base. So you can't have the Luxe without the base, but every 3 months you skip a base and you get a Luxe. So premium, my first time, you're supposed to be guaranteed at least 7 products, I thought. But if you're not aware, Fenty box. So that I was excited for because I have no Fenty products. I love Rihanna. And I seen all the spoilers, so I'm excited to open this up. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, comment below, give me a great thumbs up. And if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you got off the wait list, if you've gotten the Fenty box, which products you like the best. And I'll leave the Boxycharm link in the description below. If you haven't signed up, there'll be a referral code. I just get charms. But anyway, let's get into this box, guys. Okay. I was prepared and got scissors. So a lot of you like to know variations, and I don't know. We'll skip it. So let's open it. Wow, look at that. I mean, I seen the spoilers, but I was like, oh my god, Fenty by Riri. Whoop. Shine brighter like a diamond. So it's Boxycharm Premium with Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Yes. Oh, here's the card. So you get a card. It'll tell you which products you got and total value of each product. So there's not really a variation number on the bottom, but it would have been, whoops. It would have been here on the bottom corner. So I'll keep this card and let's get into the box. I'm so excited. Right. Okay, guys. So I want to save the best for last, which is the eyeshadow palette, which is what I was so stoked. So let's just grab the first one. Okay! This is the Gloss Bomb, and all the products have the Fenty Beauty logo. So I did hear a lot about this one, and it is in the shade Diamond Milk. I mean, can you tell? Like, I'm so excited. I'm like sweating. I'm like nervous. I'm like, but let's get into it. If I can get into it. Okay, so we got the packaging. Oh my gosh, this is even better in person. Look at this. Like, I don't know if it's going to do any justice, but it is Diamond Milk. It's super shiny. It has all kinds of shimmers. And I didn't put anything on my lips because I knew I was going to do this box. Oh, it does. It smells like perfumey. Oh my gosh. Let's zoom in on... Can you see that? That looks awesome! So excited. We are going to get into that. I feel like a kid in a candy store. Like, I'm just getting Christmas presents left and right. Next is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter. I've heard tons about this. And the color is Trophy Wife. Says it right there. Now, what must I see? The packaging is like amazing. Oh, I see. It's like super sealed. Okay. Awesome. All right, let's open this buddy up. It says creamy, long-lasting, endless ways to glow. Get it, girl. It says for cheeks, eyes, or anywhere you want to glow. So you can put it anywhere. Anywhere. All right, check out this packaging. So chic and classic. And on the back it says trophy wife. Let's open it up. Oh my God, it's like dazzling. That's like gold right there. All right, let's swatch. Woo! Look. I mean, if I didn't blind you already, this is blinding. But in like a beautiful shimmery vibe. Oh, we're trying this. We're trying this on. Okay, so this is the Invisimatte blotting paper. I'm not going to open this because I won't use it. I'll probably save it for another, you know, day. Maybe I'll do like a big giveaway of things that either I have duplicates of or that I'm just not feeling. So here we have a tiny little guy here. What is this? This looks like the lipstick. Oh yeah, this is the Mattemoiselle. Mattemoiselle. Plush matte lipstick. Oh, and the color's right there is in Griselda. I haven't seen that one as an option. I was hoping for something like super simple and nude maybe, but it's Rihanna, baby. There's nothing simple about that. Okay, but I love the packaging. Look at how cute this is. Like, compared to my hand. Look at how cute. I love it. And you got the Fenty Beauty logo right there. So let's check this color out. I'm such a... Oh, it even has the Fenty Beauty logo right on the lipstick. You see that? Oh. And this like brings me back. Honestly, this is like a wine color, if you can tell. And I will use it, so. Ooh! Girl! She ain't playing. She is not playing. Why she named her Griselda? That is beautiful. That brings me back to my days where I just started out with lipstick. And I always got this color. I don't know who made it, but it was called Raisin or Rum Raisin. And that was my go-to. Real goth, but I like it because I'll wear it. So this is the matchstick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to know. I don't even want to know, but I want to know. There were so many colors that I wanted. There was like a chili mango. That was okay. There was a blondie or blonde. And then there was the confetti that I really wanted. So I can't even. I'm really like a 2-year-old right now. What color? Confetti! What? Oh my god! This is like so cool. Because I was okay with the blonde because it's like a gold shimmer. But the confetti was just like screaming my name. And if you don't know and you haven't seen these little matchsticks, and this is not little by any stretch. This is big. I mean, compared to the lip, it's big. So they are magnetic and they stick together. So if you ever get any other matchsticks, they all stick together. Oh my gosh, look at it. Just look. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And I guess with time, like they warm up to your skin. This is like a shimmer. Because like to me, it's screaming purple shimmer. And I love that. Now, you can use it as a highlighter. You can use it as a blush, maybe, you know. Let's see. Yep, highlight, blush, and enhance. Long wear, light as air, layering. I absolutely love all of these colors. And I will wear it. I mean, there are some days where you just want to be confetti princess, right? So last but not least, and the star of the show is the eyeshadow palette. So this is the Moroccan Spice All the colors are on the back with their names. Let's open this. It is so pretty. It's heavy. It is heavy. Like, I have some other eyeshadow palettes, but this is, oh my gosh, look at how pretty this is. And it's like holographic too. That is just amazing. And on the back here, it has the colors with the names. So let's open this. Oh my gosh. Like, I've been seeing pictures and this is just beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so look at the golds. And you have some mattes here, some shimmers. I like all of it. I really do. Like, this was what I was waiting for, and I was going to be really mad if I didn't get off the wait list. So let's swatch. So let's do like a quick try on. Let's try a little bit of this with my finger. Oh, I see it. I love it. Let's see if that helps. Oh yeah, so it lightens up if you brush it on. But if you like dab it with your finger or swipe it with your finger, you get more of the glow. That comes up. That one is more. Oh yeah. Okay, see, like if you go hard, it'll go hard on you too. Golden. The confetti is very muted, and I'm gonna put a little bit just for fun to see how that would look as like a eyeshadow. What? Let's try this one as an eyeshadow. And you can see the difference right there. I love it. And look at how beautiful this is though. Maybe putting it on my finger. Definitely comes through. And this is like butter. So glad I got my box. Tried on some stuff really quick. I look crazy with my gold and purple, but I don't care. I love this gold. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching, and my next video will hopefully be about Boxy Luxe. This light white here is Mo Rockin' Ice. Super soft, and it's like shimmery. If that's, this is brilliant. Look at that. This is pretty. I love all of it, and I'm so happy that I got off the wait list. I'm so happy I got the Fenty. If there was no other collaboration that I was actually looking forward to. So if you got your Boxycharm, you got off the wait list, you got the Fenty. Which variation? I'm so excited. Oh, I see it. I love it. Let me get my brush and see if that helps. Oh yeah, so it lightens up if you brush it on. But if you like dab it with your finger or swipe it with your finger, you get more of the glow. Let's try the Kilowatt and see how that comes up. That one is more. Oh yeah. Okay, see, like if you go hard, it'll go hard on you too. Yeah. And I could see how this would be amazing on like a darker complexion. That would just shine so well. But as you can see, it's there. I don't want to rub it in more. But against the confetti, it's not, I mean, this is definitely golden. The confetti is very muted, and I'm going to put a little bit just for fun to see how that would look as like a eyeshadow. I absolutely love it as an eyeshadow. What? Let's try this one as an eyeshadow. And you can see the difference right there. I love it. And we'll do this. Ugh. You know how 2-year-olds are. Look at how beautiful this is, though. In the Griselda. Now, the only thing is, I don't want to ruin my gloss bomb by putting it over something this dark. So I'm going to try and maybe putting it on my finger. It definitely comes through. And this is like butter. Super, super silky. Amazing. So glad I got my box. Tried on some stuff really quick. I look crazy with my gold and purple, but I don't care. I love this gold. Okay, guys. Thanks so much for watching. And my next video will hopefully be about Boxy Luxe.